If you're already a huge fan of the Tangle Teezer brushes to help detangle and define your hair, we got some competition. The new wide tooth comb is especially designed with curls in mind and the perfect detangler for type 3 and 4 hair. Start off with applying your favorite conditioner or hair mask to create slip and coat the hair. The comb is dual-sided with longer, firmer teeth with rounded tips on one side. This helps to gently remove tangles with less pulling. Always start at the ends and work your way up. This is to prevent unnecessary breakage, and you'll see that it's way easier to remove tangles. Do you have some small stubborn knots? Then you can use the other side. The flexible two-tiered shorter teeth on the other side make stubborn knots and shed hair melt away without snapping the hair. The design of the comb gives it a really nice, sturdy, but really comfortable grip, which is really what I'm always looking for when it comes to detanglers, especially underneath the shower. But you can also use this comb out of the shower. Obviously, you can use the wider side to detangle out of the shower, but I especially love to use the shortest side to help define my coils when I do a bomb twist out of wash and go. And I use the longer side as an afro pick to very easily create volume. To create volume without the frizz, make sure to focus on the roots only and gently lift the hair up. Hello. All in all, definitely a must-have if you have type 3 or 4 hair. So I'm super happy to have this multifunctional tool around, especially when I'm traveling, but even when I'm not traveling. So what are you waiting for? Go and get yours.